Hi, welcome to the PiPhi Network YouTube channel. This is the first video in a series of videos going over and demoing the next version of the PiPhi Network software. I know it's been a while since we've talked about software updates, but I can tell you our team has been working extremely hard to improve the user experience from the last software update while also providing new features that we feel you guys may enjoy. One of the new features is that the software is now open. Based on the previous version, you will need to go to PiPhi.network, purchase a license key, and then activate that license key just to access the software. That has now changed. Now all you need to do is visit our website, use some of the installation scripts, or use a Docker image that we have, install it onto your Raspberry Pi or Windows device, and you'll be able to access all the features and functionalities we have available for you. Another new feature is the ability to create custom dashboards. In the past, PiPhi created these dashboards for you. However, we felt users were not visualizing the data in the way that they would like to. Now that has changed. In order to create a custom dashboard, you click the Create Dashboard button here in the top left-hand corner. Now you enter a dashboard name. In my particular instance, my dashboard name is Office, and then you enter a tag in which you would like to use to filter your dashboards. Mine is AQI. After filling out that information, you click the Save Changes button, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard you were trying to create. As you can see, we have no tiles created, so let's change that. In order to get started, you click the green button in the middle of the screen. This will display a pop-up with two different sections. One section will be for dashboards, and the other section will be for things, which represent your connected sensors. When you add a dashboard, it actually creates a quick link. That quick link will be to a dashboard that you already have created. For instance, this would be for the same dashboard that we are already on, so we won't navigate anywhere. However, if I add another link to the default dashboard, I can click that quick link and fast travel straight to the default dashboard. Now that we're back into the dashboard that we are trying to create, let's get into some sensor visualization. In order to do that, you would click the three-dot button here in the right-hand corner down at the bottom of the screen, and a plus button will appear. You then click the plus button, and that same pop-up from before will come back. Now, let's select one of our sensors that we have connected. Right now, I have my aware element connected and my fine offset WH65B, which is a weather station, by the way. We now click on the aware element, select the room, select an attribute in which the aware element collects, and then select a chart style. For this instance, I want a line chart, so I'll select that. Then I'll click Save Changes, and now a line chart will appear. Give it a minute for the data to load in, and now you can see all of your data there and visualized for that particular attribute. Now let's say I want to add another chart for my aware element, but I want to do the AQI and I want to have a chart style or type of stat line. Once I click the Save Changes button, you can see the stat line appears and the data will be populated shortly. Now, let's say I want to visualize my weather station. I come here and I find my fine offset. I click the arrow, the pop-up appears, and I select the room. Then I select the attribute like before. This time I want to do the temperature of my weather station. And I also want to do another stat line. Once I click Save Changes, you should see the stat line appear and the data populate shortly. Once the data is populated, you can now see the correlation between our indoor and outdoor sensor. Inside, our aware element is around 25 degrees Celsius, almost 26, and our outdoor weather station is also reporting that exact same data. You now have data correlation. That wraps up this video in terms of custom dashboards. I thank you guys for watching the video, and to our users, we appreciate your patience. We have been working very hard on this release. We thank you once again. See you in the next video.